Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. I will show you how to scan a document on any iOS device with iOS 11 or later installed. First, open Notes app. Next, tap on the plus button. Afterwards, select the Scan Document option. Line up your document and take a photo of it. After you took the photo, you will be able to assign the borders of the document you want to scan. When you are happy with the selection, tap on Keep Scan at the bottom right corner. Now, you will be able to tap on the photo editing selection at the top of the screen and choose the best suitable style you want to save the scanned page. Tap on Done and the scanned document will be saved on your note, where you may change it to PDF or send it or do whatever you want with it. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product-related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.